first thing I want to talk about is your teeth are going around, all right? So let's do that first. Let's draw a cylinder here. You see how round your teeth will get? You see that? The ball of the mouth. Teeth go around that. So when you are drawing teeth, you always want to think of them not as flat, but round. Okay, now let's do this. So here now, this is going to be the minor axis, and quick review. When you're drawing ovals, a circle, think of a circle. Circle has two axes. When that circle becomes foreshortened, like this is foreshortened, the top of my can here, it comes like this. The shortest distance right here, that's called the minor axis. And we love the minor axis because we want to make sure the oval is perfectly reflective across that. Like I could fold it in half and it would perfectly align. So up here in this little line that I did an angle, let's go ahead and draw an oval here. Make sure it's perfectly reflective across that minor axis. You don't want to draw it like this. You see, that's not perfectly reflective. You want to draw it like this. All right, let's draw another one. Many of you, some of you, were drawing cups. Was it yesterday? I had kind of mentioned drawing a coffee cup. And when you get to the lower point of your coffee cup, you want to make sure that you actually make this really round. That will show the bottom of it. Many cups that I saw were like this. All right, you want to make sure you round the bottom of it. I know this isn't teeth, but yes, that happens sometimes. I just get things come to my head. Okay, draw a line right there and draw a line down here. Okay, so this is teeth. And this is teeth. See, it's round. Your lips are going to come up there. Teeth are going to come in here. Corners are darker. Corners are darker. All right, so I want you to think of them, everything is very round. I'll give you a minute here to write that down. Take your time. Take your time. I'll give you 30 more seconds. I'll let you get caught up here. I'll finish my coffee cup and put some steam. All right. So with that being said, let's take a look at this guy here first. I think that's Danny DeVito. I'm not sure. But you see how his teeth are round? So let's go ahead and just have fun here. Draw a round ball. That's what I want you to think of. Just like that. Now let's get the shape. Just a simple shape for his nose. You see how I did that just like that? Just like that. And we could just add a little shadow underneath. Now look at this alignment. This is interesting. You know, I often talk about the corners of the mouth lining up with the eyes. Well, the reason why is because the teeth are about as wide as the middle of the eyes. You see that? Look at our picture here. This is a good example of that. Look, right there. You see? That's his skull is going on right in underneath there. All right, let's go ahead and get that's the width of his teeth. And then those wrinkles, this is going to create the barrel of the mouth. That right there is his chin. Corner of the mouth. All right, this is going to be the V of his lip. Okay, let's get the top part of his lip. It's going to come in like this. And we could add a little tone to that. Okay, let's get these teeth in now. So look at this. Here's one side. There's the other side. And it has this beautiful curve. So we're going to come around like this. All right, let's get the sides in. Okay, now let's follow the gums here. So I'm going to curve around like this. Curve around like this. Then we're going to get in these ones on the sides, just like that. So I'm going to come back around the other way. Start to get foreshortened a little bit. Okay, let's get his bottom lip in. We'll get his bottom lip in first, and then we'll draw in the negative shape. Okay, corners of the mouth. Gets dark back here. Same thing on this side. I mean, you've got like his skin and his smile coming together like that. Okay, now we could get, I see that he's got a couple teeth from his lower jaw showing up right there, but the rest of this is going to be pretty dark. So now what I'm going to do is then I'll come in underneath. I'll just look, I just cut a little teeny wedge there. You see that? So the teeth on the sides, now this is where I might end up outlining them. But I want to be very, very careful of drawing a line right in the center of his teeth there, because it will just pop. You know, we don't want it to be like this. He'll look like Alfred Newman. Some of you may not know who Alfred Newman is. There used to be this magazine here in the United States. I don't know if they still print it, but it was called Mad Magazine. It was a very satirical movie. I mean, it was a satirical magazine, kind of for adults, but had a very kid bent to it. But it was really more toward adults. If you do have additional questions, please join our Facebook group. It's totally for free. Post your questions in there. You can direct it toward me, or even down here in the comments below, you can ask a question and I will try and answer it my best. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay. Bye-bye.